Yo my people, welcome to another emergency market forecast. This one is on silver, XAGUSD, so that's silver. And I'm gonna dive directly into it because this one is basically entering entry position right now and it's taken off. Silver is set to explode this year. I'm explaining everything in this market forecast. My name is xauusd. Let's dive into the charts. Alright, so first a quick overview. We starting on the monthly time frame, so macro perspective. You can see the all-time high was at April in 2011, and then silver hit about $50. Alright, since then we had a major bear market on silver, and now we have started to make our way up again, and we want to take out these highs, which we basically are at right now. So these highs at $30. And what happened is, if we look at this monthly time frame, market came up, and with 6 days left, we have rejected this high, created an equal high, and did a nice healthy pullback. So you see that on a weekly time frame, that we have pulled back perfectly into this fair value gap here on the monthly time frame, on a weekly time frame, sorry. And we are now reacting from this fair value gap. On the daily time frame, you see a perfect reversal candle here, and now the next one is forming. That's the daily time frame. We have about 6-7 hours left on that one. So the entry is basically right now. If I zoom in further on the 4 hourly, what do we see? Well, we see that we have created a little leg up, pull back into this fair value gap created from this leg, and now we're making our way up to create a new higher high. On the hourly, we see more better that we have taken out this previous lower high here. We took that one out. We took that one out nice and smoothly like that. Candle closed above on the hourly time frame, made a nice pullback, and now we're making our way up to create a new higher high. So that's what we're looking for now. And entry on this one is, I would say, literally right now. So my entry was at around $27. I caught it at $27.180, so around here. But it doesn't mean that you are too late to the party. Just use proper risk management, use proper lot size. The target on this one depends on if you're swing trading, if you're just intraday trading. You take either these highs, you target these highs on about $27.500, or you target this fair value gap right here. Why exactly this fair value gap? Is because this fair value gap, if you look further to the left, and you see great support, a lot of liquidity is resting here, and market did not properly take it out because it left this fair value gap here. So it's basically a gap here with a lot of liquidity resting. So market will react from this whole zone here. I will mark it out nice and smoothly like that, and that's what we're targeting. So our target is to start with $28 on silver, and then of course you can ride this thing to the moon, because silver fundamentally is set to explode. Here's the thing, there's a big deficit on silver out there. Silver is needed for technology, silver is needed in solar panels and whatnot, and it's a precious metal that all precious metals right now are undervalued, tremendously undervalued. Especially silver is very undervalued. You have platinum, you have copper, you have uranium, also is very undervalued, but silver is what we're looking at now, and that one is very undervalued. So it should be at around $50, or at least like $30 in price, but it is resting at $27. So this thing will explode. There's massive demand for it out there. So like I said, first target about $28. If you want to swing trade this thing, if you want to go in on an investment position, I would target the previous all-time high, which is $50. So all the way up here. But then you can count on this taking about half a year, couple of months, or maybe even a year until you reach this level, but you will reach it. All right, that's it on silver. If you get value out of this call, then please support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Don't miss out on our live streams where we catch these trades live 8:45 a.m. Central European time every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All right, I will see you there. Peace.